Hi, my name is Aurélie and I will be presenting my management project where I decided to create a company called Wall Gallery. So first, let's start with the agenda. First, in this video, I will talk briefly about what is Wall Gallery. Then I will follow with our organizational strategy concerning our competitive advantage and our strategy making process. After, I will follow with global management. Then I will talk about how we are leading our teams at Wall Gallery. Some details about it, our special kinds of team, our team norms, and how we improve our team. And finally, I will conclude with a quick visit of our website. So briefly, at Wall Gallery, we are a company that offers art prints and frames. We create art prints and people can create montage at home on their walls. Also, we offer a personalization service where people can come to us with their own pictures or art and we create it for them. We create lots of basic art prints that are minimalistic but incredible and beautiful. From the moment, we are only a business that sells online and our services are offered through video calls or emails. At Wall Gallery, we are trying our best to have a competitive advantage against our competitors in order to have a sustainable advantage. We provide posters and frames that are of high quality, but the differentiation comes from our artist services that create images for our customers who are not able to draw or illustrate their own idea. Moreover, we provide very good client service since we are in direct contact with our customer when creating their orders. When they use our art prints design service, whether they desire to create an artistic design or a portrait print, our team members are getting to know them and create a familiarity with our clients, which many of them really like. For our strategy making process. First, we start with the step 1, where we assess the need for strategic change. This step is the one where we try to avoid competitive inertia and we look for strategy dissonance. Even if one of the past strategies work well, we will try to consider it, but we always want to improve and follow the continuously changing market. Moreover, our managers need to take strategic action that follow our new strategies in order to make it efficient. Then, for step 2, we conduct a situational analysis. In this step, we try to identify the strengths and weaknesses in the internal environment and the opportunities and threats of our organization's external environment. And finally, step 3, we end the process by choosing the strategic alternatives that are the best for our company. Whether it's a risk-avoiding strategy or a risk-seeking strategy, this step is one of the most important steps of our strategy-making process, since the chosen strategy is going to impact our company in different ways. Since we are an SMB and are starting our company, we do not plan to go global in the next 5 years, except that we are doing business with artists all around the world. Although we would love to do global businesses, so we could grow into new markets, for example, in the European market. We know that there is already a market in some European countries, but for now we're starting to expand throughout North America. We offer our services in French and English, thus we have a greater market than if we only provided English or French services. For now, we are based in Quebec City, but we are selling our product throughout Canada and the US. On some occasions, we had customers from France or the UK that wanted special design from us, except the shipping costs are extremely expensive since we are not located in any of these countries. In our plans to expand and globalize our business, we would buy a business that is similar to ours or create a wall gallery company in Europe. This would reduce the shipping tariffs for our market and would keep our price at the North American prices. When entering the European market, we would not have to adapt a lot since the national culture is much similar to ours for many countries in Europe. At Wall Gallery, we have two main teams, the designing team and the printing team. The designing team is formed of two artists, three graphists, and one photographer. We believe that a small-sized team like ours is the best suited for the task to be accomplished. By having a team of 6 people, we can provide good customer satisfaction since pretty much everybody will be aware of the project or case. Moreover, by having a small team, we involve our employees in the decision-making concerning their departments since they are the one in control of it. By having our designing team involved in our decision-making, we can have multiple perspectives and more alternative solutions. Except some advantage becomes a disadvantage. We often have small conflicts between our team members because they have a different point of view. But it can occur in other point in our business. For our printing team, we have 3 people that are only printing the orders because our designing team often prefer to print their own work and personalize the order to their customer. But both are often working together. By doing so, we are providing the printing team the presence of someone with expertise, which can be very useful for the printing team when they are not quite sure of the printed results. The printing team members have an important job since they are the ones completing the most important part of the orders. They are responsible for the overall finished product quality. With our printing team working well together, we are able to provide the best product. For our special kinds of team, we often have both teams working together that create a new theme. So we have a cross-functional team, since the team is composed of employees from different functional areas of the organization. We do not create a project team for a specific project or order, but it often happens that 2 people from the designing team are working on a project together when it's needed. For the team norms, we have pre-established team norms that our team can choose when they are establishing their team norms. They often are used as guidelines where members can add norms, some to increase the productivity of their team and also to regulate team behavior. The company encourages positive working norms to dissuade team members of negative behavior. We try our best to increase team cohesiveness. We want to attract and motivate our team members to remain in our teams. We ask our team members to attend all meetings and activities. We also try to create additional opportunities for teammates to work together. For example, we have an open workspace where our designing team can work all together. Moreover, our printing stations is an open space. Also, we provide teams with the resources, whether financial or time, to engage in non-work activities as a team. It can be volunteer work at the food bank, or a monthly happy hour on Thursday, or even an hiking activity on Saturday with their family and dogs, cats, whatever. We believe that it increases the bond in the teams and then affect their performance and efficiency to work as a team. Finally, for the website, so this is the homepage that you saw previously, and the midterm information in the part for the midterm is all here. It's all the strategies for our company, the global management, and how we work as a team. And here are the 2 videos the midterm, and the summaries. Thank you.